Hello everyone, good morning, afternoon or evening wherever you are. My name is Winifred and you are welcome to a new tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you the proper way to cut your ASO neatly without ruining your fabric. Okay? Don't mind my voice. I have a cold, so my voice can be all cracky and all. So let's get into it. I have my scissors here, the normal scissors here. So if you go in with your ASO with your scissors like this, you are doing it wrongly, because see, your ASO will start to open up like this and you later end up spoiling your fabric. The best way to do it is to use your soldering iron. I have my soldering iron here. It's already plugged in and it's steaming hot. It's really hot right now. So after plugging in your soldering iron, you need to confirm if there's a red light that is meant to be, I hope you guys can see, there's a red light that is meant to be on here. It's not turning on. Okay, the red light is on now. I already plugged in this soldering iron. Don't mind my soldering iron, it has done a lot of work for me. That's why it's looking all dirty right now, and I didn't have time to clean it up. I'm still trying to figure out how to clean a soldering iron, so if you have any idea, drop it in the comment section down below. But if I also get any idea, I'll bring it on here so we can learn together. So I already plugged in this soldering iron for a very long time and it's steaming hot now. Let's check. Okay, it's cutting through easily. So the best way to cut your ASO fabric is to use a soldering iron. Sorry, is to use your soldering iron. So I had to leave the soldering iron for 30 minutes so I had to, it was, I already cut these two, but it was hard labor. It was hard labor, guys. So I noticed that the hotter the soldering iron, the easier it is to work with. So I left it for good 30 minutes before coming back to it. So now I believe it's really hot. It's really hot now. So it's really hot now. So let's visit. There are two methods. The first one, you just cut through. So after I cut it straight, you see that the edges are not really straight and you don't want a rough work like that. So the second method and the most recommended method that you need to do is to mark out where you want to cut out with your, you mark it out with chalk and ruler. Sorry, I have a code. You mark out where you want to cut out with chalk and ruler. Then you make sure you follow. I'm checking the red light. Okay, still on. You make sure you follow the line as you cut neatly. You don't have to rush. You do it slowly. See, this is more smooth and straight. It's more smooth and straight. So do that for the rest of the parts you want to cut. Do that for everything else. Keep cutting like that. Mark out where you want to cut with your chalk. Draw a straight line. You can get something close to perfect, okay? Sorry guys, this cold is really disturbing me. You can get something close to perfect. So it's easy for me to cut it out now because this soldering iron is really hot. I had to leave it for 30 good minutes. See now, you've secured your ASO. It's not going to come off at all. Keep cutting. Okay. So it's not equal. How to make it equal? So we've come to the end of the tutorial. I hope it was insightful. So I'm going to join all these pieces together to make a clothes for my son. So thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe to this video. You should also turn on the notification bell so you know when I post a new tutorial. Till I see you in my next tutorial, I want you to know that I care about you. Bye.